Okay, here's my Arctic King, 6,000 BTU right here, and it's running right now. I think you can hear it right. So it was white, but it is black. It has a GFCC compressor. This is another kind. Right here, it's a running good water. I think I've did see it before. Like, I don't know, it's good. Yeah, so it's installed in the hangout room where like people chill at, I guess. Basically the gaming room, that's where it's installed at. And this little studio, in my studio right here. This is my studio. This whole house, it's like cute. Anyway, so yeah, this right here. It's installed in the gaming room, like I said. Don't mind the weird mounting. I just kind of want us to be safe. Right here. So yeah. Just so you this is a bit dirty for my hard-earned conversation. But yeah, I guess that's it.